Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. So we got a 2021 Tesla Model Y right over here. I'm going to go over how to do XPEL paint protection film on the mirror. Now you can see we got the kit over here. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but it's two-piece. So we are going to have a seam that we have to deal with. So I'm going to go ahead and get started right now. The mirror's already been prepped. I got my slip solution right here. I got my tack solution over here. I got my squeegee. So very first thing I'm going to do, just get slip solution on there and clean the surface off in case any airborne contaminants landed on it. Now, what I'm going to do is come over here . Just like so. Take and put that on the mirror. Get my tack solution ready, my squeegee. So with these mirrors, with these mirror pieces, what you want to do, where you start over here in the bottom corner. Tyson, if you can kind of zoom in from that angle, you can see how the pattern just lines up perfectly there. So what I'm going to do, get a good amount of tack solution right there. And I'm just going to line everything up. Just like that. Just like so. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I do have a little bit of a finger popping up over here on the top and the bottom. All I'm going to do is stretch that so it's gone. Make sure it's going to line up over here. I don't want to overstretch it because it'd be very easy to do that. All I'm going to do now is just get some tack solution in right over here. There we go. Everything is right where it needs to be. Now, I'm just going to pop the film up a little bit right there. With these fingers over here, you always want to hit squeegee at an angle. Those are down. Same with over here. Got those down. Okay. Now I'm going to worry about this back edge. Tyson, if you want to zoom in, you can see I got some fingers popping up right there. I'm just going to pull the film back. Get those down. Okay. There we go. That's good. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the top piece. Now, you're going to be lining up this seam, and you do want to do a good job lining these up. Unfortunately, due to the shape of the mirror, it is darn near impossible to do one of these in one piece. So what you're going to want to do with a two-piece is you're going to start over here in the corner, get a healthy dose of tack solution in there, and I'm just going to line the film up. There we go, got that squeegee down. Now, I'm just going to get some tack solution in here. What I want to do is I want to stretch it into place on the very end over here, just like that. I've got everything lined up here, but as you can see, I have a nice big gap here. All I'm going to do is just lift this up. And just with some pressure, my finger, I'm just going to line that up. Just like so. I have a hair that's popped up right there. that out. Now all I'm gonna do is just get that squeegee down. Yes, I don't have the seam 100% perfect, but it is close enough and it does look really, really good. So you're only gonna see this seam if you're actually looking for it. And that's how you do a mirror on a Tesla Model Y. Tesla Model 3 mirror be very much the same way. They're just shaped a little bit differently. So thanks a lot for checking out this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for more.